Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. Let's take a look at a couple of stocks that I continue to hold and like. One is Vive, and you can see on the weekly and the daily chart in terms of our correlation tool, it continues to be the strongest in comparison to all these other asset classes and transports and sectors and things like that I'm looking at. And the squeeze does have volume behind it, so we're just today was a pretty solid recover a little bit and hold, and it's poised right now, so we'll see what it can do tomorrow. And the other one here I really like is Light, another one where you can see the relative strength is off the charts, is having a great week. The squeeze is already triggered, but we did have a really solid day yesterday, and today minuscule, I mean, it's up over $4, and so holding up really well. So that one continues to look good. And then Shopify here. This is one where the relative strength isn't off the chain, but we do have a squeeze that's fired long. Okay, not really much of a boost there. Nice day yesterday, quiet day today. There's a lot of resistance right up here near yesterday's highs and around 93.50, 93.75, and we'll see if we can push through that tomorrow. Big day today in IWM. You can see the squeeze here is triggered along, and we're seeing action from the energy sector, which is helping to push this along, as well as financials. And so the Russell is a big benefit of both of those. In terms of trades, probably the funnest trade so far today has been around earnings. And so we did set this up. This is one that we had texted out in terms of AMD, and just kind of using our earnings tool. And it's like, all right, what is this? What is this stock going to be able to do for earnings? And so based on that, we did sell. Let me see what we did here. We did sell a bunch of puts. So the $14 puts were 76 cents, and then as a spread there were 60 cents. And after hours, it looks like we're still up. We're up right about the expected move, which is good. If it was less than that, it could roll over, as long as there's no bad conference calls or anything like that. So that looks like it'll be really good and a good way to kick the day off. And I think that'll ignite a few moves in NVIDIA and a couple of the other stocks like that. All right, I wanted to let you know about a income-related mentoring program that is coming up, done by our one and only Bruce Marshall, and he's going to have a webinar talking about this. Okay, you can go to simplertrading.com/master, and this webinar is going. This is a free webinar. It's going to be Thursday, August 3rd. Okay, you can just click that and claim your spot. And here is what he's going to be talking about. And if you don't know who he is, I mean, this guy managed over $100 million fund for a long time, and he just knows things, okay? And it's awesome talking to him and getting his view of the markets and how he structures trades. So what he'll talk about here during the webinar is just kind of like, all right, so what is a successful applicant to this program going to get? They're going to get a personalized step-by-step options income training, kind of one-on-one, Bruce's system for income in every market condition, how to trade your nest egg like a fund manager's portfolio, Bruce's secret for consistent 12 to 24% annual returns. Now, if you're an aggressive trader, you may think, that's not that exciting, but think about it. If you've got like a Roth IRA or something like that, and you're consistently getting 12 to 24% a year versus say 1% in a bank account, the differences are astronomical. Okay, and here's the other thing with this is, even though that if you're attracted to bigger things, this is really all relative to position size. So once you understand it, you can up the position sizing. Okay, that obviously takes on more risk, but just keep that in mind. Okay. Bruce's never before taught advanced income strategies, how to achieve higher returns with minimal risk, and then live trading days to set up your portfolio for success. So it's going to be a lot of fun. simplertrading.com/master. Looking forward to seeing you there.